All right, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to take off a third brake light from an 03 F-150 Super Crew. We start by removing these two bolts, and after that it just simply comes off. Here's the assembly already broken on that side, but it has a little piece right there that pops into the hole on top of where you screw it at. Here's a little wire and harness right here to the third brake light. There's a little weather seal that goes into that hole, and the wire runs back here into a connector under the headliner. Here's the headliner right there, and y'all see that little connector back there? That's the one I took it off. I unplugged it, and it's pretty easy, so that way you don't have to splice it open or whatever. And right here I have my brand new third brake light. It's smoked, and there's a little grommet that comes with it and the connector. And it also comes with, I guess, these for the screws and the 3M adhesive tape for the weather seal. But let me go ahead and install it, and let me show you how that works. All right, that's how you install the tape on the back of it, right there. For the third brake light, it's double-sided 3M adhesive tape to keep that weather seal on it, right?